Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about throws keyword in Java. Throws is a keyword in Java and that is used with the method definition to specify list of possible exceptions the method can throw. Like an example, we have one method called void calculate. Because this is one method to perform some arithmetic operation, so there is this possibility that this method will generate some arithmetic exception. In that case, we can use the throws keyword and we can throw some arithmetic exception. And by doing this, whenever there is one arithmetic exception occurred in the method, then it will automatically throw that arithmetic exception object from that method. So in this example program, we have one method called calculate and which throws the arithmetic exception object. So whenever there is one exception occurred in the method, it will immediately throw one arithmetic exception object. And because the method call is inside one try block, so the exception will be handled by the enclosing try blocks catch statement. So it will receive that exception object and then it will print that exception object onto the console. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. And you can see the output, it has printed the information about the exception that has occurred in the program. So this is the way we can use the throws keyword in the method definition to throw some specific type of exception object from that method. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.